Ang battery kaya. Shit. Nalipatak yung battery ko na. Ay, lubat. Hello guys, live po tayo ngayon. We cannot stay long guys in the live because I am lubat now. It's 37%. Ah. Maybe just half an hour and then my life is going. I don't have the battery. I forgot to take with me. Hello, shout out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like. Thank you for subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh. Imperial College. Thank you. One of my friends is calling. I don't know who is calling. Imperial College. That is the Imperial College. We're near now, guys. Science Museum. Science Museum. Oh, only Science Museum, not history. Sorry. Only Science Museum. I am right already earlier, but I didn't search in Google. That's why I just put history. But it's okay. One day you're gonna be expert. Excuse me, where's the entrance of Science Museum?
Just the next patio there.
Next. Thank you, darling. Random bag search. Oh, thank you so much. Look, I think I'm coming back this. I'm coming back tomorrow again here. Look, that's nice. No,
Scan your ticket.
I don't have ticket.
So you can either scan the QR code there to get one on our website, or you can go to the desk there and I'll get you one for free.
All right then, to that only here, so I don't know how to do that.
Okay, yeah, go to the desk. I'll help you out.
Thank you, darling. Hi, I just want to. Thank you. Only me, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
So that's the nut. Oh, you can go for it. That's the natural history museum.
Wonderland, Wonderlab. Wonderlab is what we're gonna see here. We're going to look all the. I'm going to put my ticket in my bag first, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, no more. I think I'm coming back tomorrow because I don't have battery. It's gone now. Model bin engine. There. We're going to look the choo-choo train. The train. Thank that that I don't know. It's my first time to come here. This is for the children. Look. Oh, that is so nice. I don't know what is this machine. Exploring space.
was discovered by and named after astronomer over 400 years ago. The other animals are called planets, Europa, and the system. This blue line is a combination of images taken by two spacecraft that explore the Voyager in the 1970s and Wonderlab in the 1980s. This planet looks like Earth, but it is actually an artist's impression of what a distant Earth-like planet might look like. In this imagined world, you can see continents, oceans, and clusters of cloud. The Kepler spacecraft has discovered over 1,000 planets in other star systems. We call these worlds exoplanets, and some are believed to have the right conditions to support life. However, vast distances separate us from most exoplanets. One recently discovered exoplanet, Kepler 452b, is 1,400 light years from the Earth. This means light would take 1,400 years to reach it, while a spacecraft would take 25 million years. Our journey through the solar system and beyond reveals the power of space technology today. We are using it to learn more about our own planet, our neighbours in the solar system, and even planets far beyond Earth, in deep space. You are looking at an image of Earth called the Blue Marble. It is an astronaut's view of the planet we call home. And this beautiful image is stitched together from pictures sent back from the many satellites that orbit Earth, high above our heads. You can see oceans, continents, clouds, and the ice and snow of the North and South Poles. Swirls of clouds called cyclones gather over the South Atlantic. In the North Atlantic, you can see a stream of clouds heading for the UK. We have long sought to understand the universe and our place within it. We use our eyes, telescopes, and now spacecraft that send back images and information, not only of Earth, but of other worlds in space. This view of the Sun was captured by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory over 5 days in 2011. The bright flashes you can see are coronal mass ejections and solar flares. These are caused by contortions in the Sun's magnetic field and can occur several times a week. We have sent spacecraft to study the Sun and help us predict when these fiery eruptions might occur in the future. This allows us to protect satellites in Earth's orbit that can be harmed by intense bursts of solar radiation. The 8 planets of the solar system revolve around the Sun, held in orbit by its intense gravitational pull. At its surface, the Sun is a scorching 5,500 degrees Celsius, but it is just the right distance from Earth to provide the heat and light needed to support life. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Because Mercury is so close to the Sun, it is very difficult to send spacecraft there, and only a few have made the journey. This stunning composite image, which has been artificially coloured blue and yellow, was captured by NASA's Messenger spacecraft, which reached Mercury in 2011. You can see that Mercury's surface is heavily cratered from asteroid and meteorite impacts. Messenger has also sent back images of step-like cliffs, which tell scientists that the planet is slowly shrinking. Mercury shares its name with a fleet-footed rolling rod, and like its mythical namesake, the planet is the fastest under the Sun, doing so in just 88 days. The Moon is the only other place in the solar system where humans have set foot. Astronauts first landed on the Moon in July 1969, with Neil Armstrong famously declaring that he had made one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Like Mercury, the Moon is covered in craters from countless asteroid and meteorite impacts over millions of years. Some of the craters are over 2 billion years old. The large dark areas you can see are vast flat plains called Maria, from the Latin word for sea. In the past, astronomers saw the dark shadows and thought that they were vast expanses of water. They are actually ancient lava flows. The lighter features, composed of light-coloured rock types, are mountains known as the lunar highlands. Here at the Science Museum, you can see the Apollo 10 command module, used on the final test mission before the first moon landing. This is next door in our Making the Modern World gallery. Here in the Exploring Space gallery, you can see a piece of moon rock that was collected from the lunar surface by astronaut David Scott in 1971. Mars is often thought of as a potential new home for humankind, and many hope that it will be the next destination for astronauts to explore. In recent decades, a variety of unmanned missions, including orbiting spacecraft, landers, and rovers, have explored Mars. The Beagle 2 lander touched down on Christmas Day in 2003, but never sent a signal back to Earth. For many years, it was assumed to have crashed. Then, in 2015, an orbiting spacecraft found the lander just north of the planet's equator. It had landed successfully, and only a few kilometers from the center of its target area. You can see a model of Beagle 2 in this gallery. Mars owes its vivid red color to the presence of iron oxides in its surface rocks. The large crack you can see in the middle of the planet is Valles Marineris, a canyon over 4,000 kilometers long and some 2.5 kilometers deep. Jupiter is a gas giant made mostly from hydrogen and helium. At over 1,200 times the size of the Earth, it is the largest planet in the solar system. These images were taken by the Cassini spacecraft and clearly show Jupiter's distinctive stripes. These bands of colour are made up of different types of gas that are being blown around the planet's surface. The light-coloured gases are rising upwards, while the dark-coloured ones are sinking. Some of the winds on Jupiter blow at almost 500 kilometers per hour, twice as fast as the strongest experienced here on Earth. You are looking at Io, one of Jupiter's largest moons. Jupiter has so many moons circling it that some people describe the planet as having its own solar system. Io's surface is covered in hundreds of active volcanoes, spewing sulphurous gases and deposits. These give the moon its vivid yellow colour, and its striking appearance has earned Io the nickname the Pizza. Io is one of the 4 Galilean moons of Jupiter, first discovered by and named after the astronomer Galileo over 400 years ago. The other 3 moons are called Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. This view of Io is a combination of images taken by 2 different spacecraft that explored Jupiter and its moons, Voyager in the 1970s and Galileo in the 1990s. This planet looks like Earth, but it is actually an artist's impression of what a distant Earth-like planet might look like. In this imagined world, you can see continents, oceans, and clusters of cloud. The Kepler spacecraft has discovered over 1,000 planets in other star systems. We call these worlds exoplanets, and some are believed to have the right conditions to support life. However, vast distances separate us from most exoplanets. One recently discovered exoplanet, Kepler 452b, is 1,400 light years from the Earth. This means light would take 1,400 years to reach it, while a spacecraft would take 25 million years. Our journey through the solar system and beyond reveals the power of space technology today. We are using it to learn more about our own planet, our neighbours in the solar system, and even planets far beyond Earth, in deep space. You are looking at an image of Earth called the Blue Marble. It is an astronaut's view of the planet we call home, and this beautiful image is stitched together from pictures sent back from the many satellites that orbit Earth, high above our heads. You can see oceans, continents, clouds, and the ice and snow of the North and South Poles. Swirls of clouds called cyclones gather over the South Atlantic. In the North Atlantic, you can see a stream of clouds heading to the UK. We have long sought to understand the universe and our place within it. We use our eyes, telescopes, and now spacecraft that send back images and information, not only of Earth, but of other worlds in space. This view of the Sun was captured by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory over 5 days in 2011. The bright flashes you can see are coronal mass ejections from solar flares. These are caused by contortions in the Sun's magnetic field and can occur several times a week. We have sent spacecraft to study the Sun and help us predict when these fiery eruptions might occur in the future. This allows us to protect satellites of Earth's orbit and be harmed by intense sources of solar radiation. The 8 planets of the solar system revolve around the Sun. How do you organize intense gravitational on its surface? The Sun is a scorching
Thank you guys for watching. We need to go now because it's low bat now. No battery. It's a shame. It's a shame. Thank you guys for watching. We're going home now. It's only 10% my battery now. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow again. We're going somewhere tomorrow again. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Good night. Have a nice day. Bye.